Speaking of being able to work from home and having the availability of, not having to be on the phone, sometimes you might have unexpected guests drop by. So I just had a guest come by, so that kind of threw me all off, but I'm not going to restart the video. I'm not going to redo it. This is just a part of life. This is a part of the entrepreneurial lifestyle where you're able to work from home, and then people that don't work from home, they don't necessarily know exactly what you do. Sometimes you don't want to share everything with everybody, because some people just don't understand the idea of working from home, being able to do your own thing. And a lot of those people, they're used to just having regular 9 to 5 jobs, so they can't fathom the idea of somebody working from home. And my hours, I don't have set hours. I make videos, I work from home when I want to, so it could be late at night, it could be early in the day, is whenever I decide to. Right now it's actually 8:30 p.m. and I just decided to make this video, but I had a guest just stop by, had to pause the video, and now I'm jumping back into it, right? Kind of lost chain of thought, but we're gonna hop right back into the same page, into the same subject that we were touching on. So of course we have our product, right? Once again, we have our video evidence of how important this topic is for millions of people. Now the next step is we're going to look at one of these other two YouTube pages. Now I'm gonna go to this one right here because me myself, I was kind of skeptical about, really, even though I saw that video there with over 3 million views, I was still kind of skeptical about how popular dandruff and scalp scratching could actually be. So I happened to find somebody else. Now they're not actually scratching their own scalp, they actually make videos reacting, so reaction videos basically. So this right here is reacting to extreme dandruff scratching and removal and tips for dry flaky scalp. So this right here, April 23rd 2019 video, this has over 3.6 million views also, and you can see it has 73,000 likes, and this is just a reaction video, right? So once again, analytics over here on the right side, 3.67 million views. And if I can, I'm gonna show you a little snippet of this video here too, so you can actually get an example of what they're talking about.
Now, I'm sure there's somebody who's picked up a camera and said, you know what, let's pick off the dandruff. Time to go to Dandruff Town. Let's go ahead and film it. So I'm gonna search dandruff scratching. Okay, it's the first thing that comes up. There's also dandruff removal, dandruff extreme. Ooh, there's also dandruff treatment at home, dandruff scratching addiction. What is going on? Dandruff bald, I guess.
Okay, you guys, so that was a little example of what this video right here is about. So it's basically a reaction video talking about how this woman is scratching the dandruff out of her hair, the dandruff removal. And I believe it's the same one that I actually just visited for the example of this video. And of course you can see it's very popular. This lady has a lot of subscribers on her channel for the original satisfying dandruff removal video. And this gentleman right here, he has a lot of subscribers too. He has over 450,000 subscribers that watch his content. But for this particular video, he has over 3.6 million views. Now I want you guys to see one other thing. If we come down here, I want you to see the comments so you can have a better idea of what it is that people really think when they're watching stuff like this, right? So right off top, all jokes aside, hope this video helps at least one of you out there. I know the struggle. That had 8.7 thousand likes, thumbs up. So obviously, I would think that the people that gave the thumbs up to that are people that can relate to this statement, and that's probably suffering with the same issues. So what I want you guys to do is keep in mind this video here, YouTube channel that it's on, because this will help you if you decide that this is the route that you want to go down. Because one of the ways that you can actually make money, not only just making videos yourself, but of course in between the videos, if there's ads, you can make your own ad. And that's going to take me to the next YouTube page, the next YouTube one that I have open up. Because let's say for example, we go back to the original video, right? And we see that this lady here, she has only 57,000 subscribers, right? And I don't mean to say only, because 57,000 subscribers is a lot. That means she has a huge audience, and her audience is dedicated to her basically watching her scratch the dandruff flakes off her hair, out of her hair. So 57,000 people are interested in this one particular channel. So what you can do is actually create a video promoting one of your products, possibly this one right here, place it in between this particular video so that people who watch this video and that's going through these same struggles can actually find a product that will help them out. So the last page that we're going to go to, and just to complete my point, why I went to this page, went back to the original. Let's say we know that she's very popular. She has a huge audience for this right here, this particular niche. We might want to reach out to her directly, send her a message, and ask if she would mind promoting our product that we have off of Amazon to her subscribers. Now let's say by chance if she say yeah, that'd be cool, then she can make a video showing herself using this shampoo, putting a link in the bio so that people can have a reference point of where to buy those products that we're promoting, and we could get a commission and possibly cut her in on a percentage or just a lump sum amount, right? But let's say by chance that she wasn't interested in it, that she didn't want to do any type of business like that for whatever type of reason, right? And let's say if we just wanted to simply ask, can we use this video in our ad just to promote these products that we're going to promote? What if she didn't want to have anything to do with that either? So what do we do at that point? That leads us to this page here, this YouTube. Now this right here, I did a search again for dandruff, right? But let me go back one page so you can see where I started. Okay, so my original search for this was dandruff removal, but what I did was I went over here to the filters, clicked filter, and I selected Creative Commons. Now Creative Commons, if you guys don't know anything about that, what that basically is videos that you can use and reuse for your own use. So these videos you can actually download and re-upload to your YouTube channel, and you can actually make money off of those videos. Those aren't videos that you own yourself, that you made, but you have the right to use them because they're considered Creative Commons. They're for all purposes. They're for you to use however you want. So of course, back to the original example, if she did not want to provide this video as an example for us to be able to use in an ad, all we have to do is do a search on a similar topic on a dandruff removal, go into the filters, click Creative Commons, find the video, which is this one right here.
Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to hit up your local Petco. I got it upside down. Is it upside down? What this is a cat fur removal. But right now, I'm using it to remove the dandruff. Look at that. Can y'all see this? Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible, bro. I look like one of them girls that's wearing tracks for like 2 years, and they finally took the tracks out. and underneath her joint just look crazy.
Okay, you guys, so as you can see from this clip here, this gentleman, he has dandruff himself, but he's using a different product. He's using a pet comb. What it actually says here, dandruff removal with cat fur comb. So that's one product that a person could use, but of course we have one that's made specifically for humans. So of course that's one of our combs, and we have a set that we're going to promote, right? So what we could do is take this video, which is 3 minutes 46 seconds long, download it, chop it up a little bit, make our own video, our own short little ad showing just maybe the gentleman scraping the dandruff out of his hair. Post that video up on our YouTube channel, then put our links. And of course, what I did, always have our next trusty item, which is Notepad. I think this is probably one of the most underused but most valuable tools or apps, whatever you want to call it, on your computer. It's not even really considered an app. Basically, it's something so basic that, you know, we kind of overlook it. A lot of people like to use like the Microsoft Word, but I like Notepad because I can just have the little notepad up here. I can shrink it down, make it smaller, and be able to have it off to the side, write whatever it is that I'm writing about. So of course we have our two products here, the apple cider vinegar shampoo. I have my Amazon link, I have the price, then I have our 6 pieces hair comb, fine removal combs, that set. I have our link, have the price, and of course we could put together a nice little package. So those two totaling up together is around $35, right? So what else can we do? If we ourselves suffer with dandruff, maybe we might write up a little PDF or something explaining our journey, something that we would have on a lead page along with our video that we would have, and of course our links to our products showing how we were able to relieve our dandruff issue, how we were able to use the wild apple cider vinegar shampoo to get hydration, shine, and reduce itchy scalp, dandruff, and frizz. And we were able to do that with no parabens or sulfates, and it's for all hair types. So looking at this right here, this product right here, when it comes to making videos, you have a lot of different titles that you could come up with for your videos to promote your product. So one could be, just as an example, how to get rid of dandruff and frizz without using parabens or sulfates. Or another title could be my apple cider vinegar shampoo dandruff removal journey. So with that, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hopefully you guys got some value out of it. If you want to learn more about how to make money from home, doing things that might be a little bit unconventional, you know where I'm at. Once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines. Have a great rest of your day.